how to buy and sell stocks on the Robinhood crypto application. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can actually buy and sell stocks on the Robinhood crypto application. So make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to actually buy and sell stocks using the Robinhood crypto app, all you need to do is first of all open it up. I'm going to skip the process of logging in, signing up and so on. So basically just go ahead and log into your Robinhood account first. Once you log into your Robinhood account, you'll see this type of interface where if you scroll down, you'll be able to see a list of stocks that you can actually buy. So you can see the Tesla stock, you can see Nvidia stock, Apple stock. They're all declining, which is the right time to buy. If you think it's declining and it's going to increase later on, you can buy the stock right away. So basically just select the stock that you want to buy over here. Once you select the stock you want to buy, you'll find today's volume. You can start investing once the application is approved, so make sure that your identity is verified. You can see how much portion of the stock that you want to buy. Just tap on the buy button and then buy it accordingly in that way, because you can see all the different information, and then you can see the progress rate as well as the decline and so on. If you want to sell it, follow the similar steps. Just come to the home tab, you'll see all of the stocks that you own basically, and then you can just tap on the specific stock that you want to sell, and then you can basically go ahead and confirm the changes by tapping the trade option, choosing the sell option and selling your stock likewise. That is it on how you can buy and sell stock on Cash App on Robinhood. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.